You syrup? She's having the syrup straight.
Why?
I think he likes his syrup. Birthday ride.
Alex, what are we doing? What are we making? What are we making? That's right, Alex, you say, what are we making? Cake. Are you going to eat it? All right, let's see it. Snowplow. Woo! Was that fun, Alex? A bite? Yo, Mommy, take a bite of the snow? Okay. You take a bite? Do you like the snow, Alex? Just a second, Mickey. Do you like the snow, Alex? Having a good birthday lunch? Are you singing happy birthday to yourself? That's me. I'm silly, boys.
Should we sing to Alex? All right. All right, Alex. Open away, buddy.
Open it up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Alex, can you blow out your candle? Can you blow on them? Good job, buddy. Yeah.